It's Trevor Carr here. Hope you're very, very well. This is my CryptoKit review. CryptoKit is something that's really got my attention, and I think you're going to understand why when you take a look at this. Basically, what we've got here is a white label software that produces a website for you that enables you to grow your own crypto over time, um, pretty much on autopilot. It's a very, very clever system, and it's got some amazing features inbuilt into it to guarantee that you're going to get traffic. All right. So let me just take you to the sales page here. It says, when in a bear market like now, the smartest thing to do is hibernate. This world first white label software to grow crypto nest egg from scratch without investing, mining, trading, or flipping. So I want you to, you're going to need to come and watch the video, the demo video, the sales video, etc. And you're going to need to take a look through the sales page probably to get a fair understanding of what this is about. But in a nutshell, what I can tell you is this: it's white label, so it's fully brandable. It's anonymous, and it's your site. So you can put your own logo on there. You can put your own name, your own brand. You can change the colors. That part of it is not the sexy part. The sexy part is that people can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. through your site. All right, they can buy it. Let me see if I can try and find something on here that would be a decent, no, in fact, oh, gamified, yeah. I was trying to find something that would be a decent background while I'm explaining to it, but people can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana through your site, okay? Now, when they do that, you as the site owner, the admin, you get a percentage of the money that's spent from everyone. Now, if that wasn't good enough, there are other reasons for people to be on the site, and that is that they can play games like a lottery, they can play flip a coin, and they do that to earn crypto. All right. Now, it gets even better than that because they get paid to watch ads as well. So, and you pay them, but what you pay them compared to what you earn is you pay them a small amount and you earn a bigger amount. I mean, every 15 minutes you can earn, I think it's 50 cents to $1 worth of Bitcoin every 15 minutes from this. All right. And it gets even better than that because the people that come to your site, when they are on your site, they can get their own affiliate link and then they can give that to their friends and family. And their friends and family and anyone they know that comes onto their sites, they're going to earn 10% from them. Okay. And you're going to earn money from everyone that they recommend as well and everyone that recommends them. All right. It just goes on and on. It goes crazy. So it's a really, really solid system for kind of passive income of Bitcoin, almost like a set and forget. And you don't need to know anything about investing in Bitcoin. All this is going to do is make you crypto. So I say Bitcoin, but it's going to make you crypto like Ethereum, etc. It's going to make you that. It's going to create that without you mining for it, without you having to go out and buy computers and have them running and all day and all night and all that sort of stuff. All right. So let's take a quick look through the sales page. As I said, I do want you to go and take a look through the sales page to get a better idea. You can see it's got gamification, as I said, so it explains that to you. But you're probably going to want to watch the video where Cindy explains everything for you here. It's not a hypey kind of video. It's a sort of video where it's actually explaining what this is and why it's going to be a good thing for you. Now, bonuses wise, bonus number one I've got for you is CryptoKit bonus number one. It's the cryptocurrency secrets video course. It's an 8-part video course. It's going to show you how to grow and invest your money with cryptocurrency. Then we've got the blockchain secrets video course, which will show you how cryptocurrency is changing the face of the future. You've got the Bitcoin breakthrough video course. You've got the Bitcoin profit secrets video course. You've got the metaverse made simple video course and Steam It made easy. And you've got Bitcoin Rush and how to set up a Ripple cryptocurrency generating system, buy and sell using Bitcoin, and organize your money with Quicken Advanced course. Okay, so there's a lot of really nice congruent bonuses there that are going to help you to understand everything you need to know when it comes to making money online with crypto. So go ahead now, take a look at the video, take a look at the sales video. get an idea of what this is all about, and I'm sure you'll understand that this is really something else and a fantastic way for you to literally set up something that's going to just keep dripping crypto into your wallet all the time. And if crypto goes crazy again, so does the value of your wallet. All right, so it's a done for you system. It's very, very professional. The quality of the software is outstanding. My bonus bundle is enormous, and I think you need to go and check it out now. As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know, and in the meantime, I wish you all the very best. Take care.